Firstly, measure the integrity of the 4 pins. Take a tool with a diameter size matching the L and M ports and mark it at 7 mm. Gently touch the tool to the probe inside the L and M ports and observe whether the marked point is outside the hole. If so, the port is intact. If not, the probe is loose and the power cord needs to be replaced. Take a tool with a diameter size matching the T and D ports and mark it at 17 mm. Do the same for T and D ports. The test method is the same as before. Remember to touch the port gently. Switch the multimeter to resistance setting and turn the buzzer on. Touch the positive probe of the multimeter to the positive pole of the yellow terminal and the negative probe to the positive pole of the power cord. If the buzzer does not sound, replace the power cord. If the buzzer does sound, continue the inspection. Touch the positive probe of the multimeter to the negative pole of the yellow terminal and the negative probe to the negative pole of the power cord. If the buzzer does not sound, replace the power cord. If the buzzer does sound, continue the inspection. Take the measurements in the following order. If all the ports have sound, the power cord is in good condition. If any of them has no sound, replace the power cable.